weather statement. Bitterly cold wind chills in the Cascades through Wednesday. A late season push of air is spreading into the region this morning, along with increasing east to northeast winds. Temperatures have already fallen into the lower to middle teens this morning on the Cascade passes, trending towards single digits for the resort elevations. Combined with winds gusting up to 40 miles per hour, the resulting wind chills will be below zero at times for the passes through Wednesday. And colder wind chills before the higher ski resort elevations, where the combination of single-digit temperatures and blustery winds will make it feel like 10 to 15 degrees below zero. Such wind chills can cause frostbite on exposed skin within 30 minutes. Anyone heading up to the Cascades should be prepared for colder temperatures than usual. Drivers should be sure to have a winter weather kit in their vehicle, along with blankets and plenty of fuel. Hourly weather